Yes! We celebrate what we have achieved, but we are going to make a leap forward, qualitative leap forward, to cover what we have not yet covered and go to new levels. Don't listen to liars who just talk.
N'olwekyo temuwuliriza abalimba abali mu kwogera obwogezi.
What we tell you is the reality. You start with production.
Otandika na kubaako kyokola.
You get money.
N'ofuna sente.
Then you distribute. We are going to fight against the theft of drugs in the health centers.
Tugenda kulwanyisa ne sekulwanyisa obubbi bw'eddagala mu malwaliro.
Then the borders.
Kati okwo kwogatta ababodaboda.
The ones of Kampala, we have already dealt with them.
Aba Kampala abo bo bamaze okukolebwako.
I was able to put 10 billion for their groups.
Era yataddewo obuwumbi 10 mu nsawo yaabwe.
We are also going to deal with the other groups at the right time.
Era ekiseera nga kituuse ne groups endala nazo zigenda kukolebwako.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.